Hi friends, in this video we will going to know what are the advantages of PVC false ceiling designs, and we will know what will be the price for installing the PVC false ceiling, and even we will know that what are the points to consider before installing a PVC false ceiling. So friends, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe to our channel. So let's continue to the topic. What is PVC? PVC is polyvinyl chloride. Nowadays, PVC false ceiling have become popular in interior designs due to their many advantages. So here are some key advantages. Like first one is the waterproof. PVC false ceiling are highly resistant to moisture and water damage, making them an ideal for areas even you can use in your bathrooms, kitchens, and even basements. And another advantage is its durability. PVC is long lasting, resistant to wear and tear, and doesn't warp or get damaged easily. It can withstand impacts better than many other ceiling materials. Another advantage is of its low maintenance. These ceilings are easy to clean and maintain. A simple wipe with a damp cloth can keep them looking fresh, and they do not require painting or finishing. And most important part is the price. So the price of PVC false ceiling in India can vary depending on factors like quality, designs, and the location. The PVC false ceiling material cost around 50 rupees to 200 rupees per square feet. This range can fluctuate based on the brand and the specific designs, with some higher end options costing more. And for installation, labor charges may range from 40 rupees to 100 rupees per square feet depending on the complexity of the design and the region. So the total cost including an installation could typically range from 90 rupees to 200 rupees per square feet. So in this video you are seeing the beautiful designs. This type of designs will cost almost 150 rupees per square feet. It includes total material plus labor cost. So before installing a PVC false ceiling, it is important to consider several factors to ensure a durable and aesthetically pleasing result. So here are some key points to keep in your mind. Like first one is the ceiling height. Installing a false ceiling reduces the room's height, so check if the ceiling height is sufficient. It may not be suitable for low ceiling rooms. Another points to remember is the load bearing capacity. PVC ceilings are lightweight, but if you want to install heavy lights, fans, or decorative items, ensure the framework can handle the load. Another point is the ventilation and insulation. Consider proper ventilation between the original and the false ceiling to avoid the moisture buildup and mold. Insulation can also be added if needed for temperature control. Another point is the room suitability. PVC ceilings are great for areas prone to moisture. You can use in your living room, bedrooms, even in the bathrooms, kitchens, but don't use for in a kitchen because it is not a fire resistant material, so stay away from the kitchen. Another points to remember of lighting design. So plan the placement of lights and the electrical wiring before installing the PVC panel. Check compatibility with different lighting fixtures. So PVC is generally not a fire resistant. Verify the fire safety standard and consider alternatives if fire safety is a primary concern. Another point is the durability and maintenance. PVC false ceilings are durable and require minimal maintenance. They are resistant to termites and moisture, but they may discolor over time in direct sunlight or exposure to harsh chemicals. Another most important point of PVC false ceiling is the installation method. So you always ensure the skilled professionals handle the installation to avoid uneven surface or improper joints which can affect the aesthetic finish. And most important point is the cost and budget. While PVC is a cost effective material, factors in installation cost, framework, and any additional accessories like lighting or insulation. PVC panels comes in different colors, patterns and textures like you seen in this video. Choose a design that complements the overall decor of the room. So PVC false ceiling can help with sound insulation. If noise reduction is a priority, consider using acoustic panels or insulation materials along with the PVC. So while PVC is long lasting, it is a plastic material and may not be the most eco-friendly option. So check if it is recycle or eco-friendly alternative are available. PVC panels are light, making installation easier and quicker as they do not require heavy support structures. You will get the lots of varieties of designs in PVC like you've seen in this video. They come in a wide range of colors, patterns for aesthetic customization to match the decor of your rooms. So friends, I hope you understand what are the advantages of PVC false ceiling and what will be the price for installing the PVC false ceiling. So friends, if you like our designs or you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. So friends, once again, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel, and if you like our videos, then please like and share this video. Thank you for watching.